This article is coming from Reuters. Shopify forecasts solid revenue growth on higher prices, more signups. That's positive news, right? So why is price selling off? Potentially, it's due to the huge run-up since the October lows, where price has risen roughly 3x, or maybe because price hit a huge resistance level near $70, or maybe this is just a natural progression in how price action flows through the markets, where you have a impulse higher move followed by a pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse. So the question is this just the pullback before potentially price moves higher? What is worth noting is that price has definitely bottomed. As you can see, price has this roundabout curve shape recovery. Let's get into the article before we continue the analysis. So Canada's Shopify forecast strong revenue growth and delivered better than expected results for the second quarter, helped by new signups and price increases across its services. The CEO says, "We're not just shipping products faster, but we are also expanding our global merchant base." In the third quarter, the company expects revenue growth at low 20s percentage and mid 20s when adjusted for change related to divestitures of its logistics business. Analysts expect a growth of 17.2%. Company had in May decided to lay off 20% of its workforce and divest its logistics arm to freight forwarder Flexport, sharpening its focus on cost. Shopify has raised the price of some of its plans, which went into effect in January and April of this year. In the second quarter, total revenue grew 31% to $1.69 billion and beat analysts' average estimates of $1.62 billion. All right. This could be a turnaround quarter for Shopify, said Michael Sherman, Chief Investment Officer at Running Point Capital Advisors. The market will still question whether its actions are enough to counter stiff competition from established rivalries, as well as any mild economic cyclicality. All right. So the question is, this is just a normal pullback before the next impulse higher. Let's go down to the daily chart. And here's the level of interest for me. Got this pivot high, got some pivot lows. That's $55. This is an area to look for to see if buyers step in. It's also near the 100-day moving average. Look for this level to potentially go long. If and when price gets to this level, wait 1 or 2 days just to see and let price action dictate and tell you where price is heading next. But this is a level where price could bounce for the next leg higher. If that is the case, let's zoom out to the weekly chart. We get a closes, say above 76. Look for price to continue to move higher. Next level of resistance, major resistance, is going to be the selling area at the $90 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.